Hello everyone, welcome to DevWave Diaries. If you're passionate about tech and eager to learn, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create this button border animation with glowing effect that respond to mouse hover. Let's start by creating a div element with the class container. Inside this div, we'll add a button with the class btn. For the button text, simply write button. To duplicate the button, you can use the keyboard shortcut, press Alt plus Shift and the down arrow key. This is the only HTML code we need for the animation. Next, let's move on to the CSS part. We'll start by creating a CSS boilerplate. Set the margin and padding to 0 to remove any default spacing that browsers might apply. Then, use box sizing, border box to make sure padding and borders are included in the element's total width and height. Finally, set the font family to sans serif to give the text a clean, modern look. Next, let's style the HTML and body elements. Set the width to 100% and the height to 100% so they take up the full viewport. Then, set the background color to black for a sleek, clean appearance. Now, let's style the container div. Set its width to 100% and the height to 100 VH, so it takes up the full height of the viewport. Use display, flex to enable flexbox layout, which will help in aligning items. Set justify content to center to horizontally center the content, and align items to center to vertically center everything. Finally, add a gap of 2 rem to create spacing between the buttons. Next, let's add some style to the buttons. Set the position to relative, this will help to create animation relative to this button. Use a background color of #220707 for a dark, rich tone, and set the text color to yellow for a strong contrast. Set the font size to 1.2 rem for better readability, and apply padding of 1 rem 1.2 rem to give the button a comfortable size. For added visual appeal, use letter spacing of 2px and set text transform to uppercase to capitalize the text. Remove the border by setting it to none, and add a cursor, pointer to indicate it's clickable. Finally, set a smooth transition of 0.5 seconds for any hover effects or changes. Now, open your browser, and you should see two buttons centered in the middle of the website. The buttons will have yellow text with a dark background. Next, let's create a before selector for the button. Set the content to an empty string. Then, position it absolute at the top left by setting top to 0 and left to 0. Set the width 10px and height to 10px, and add a border top 2px solid yellow and border left 2px solid yellow, to create a subtle outline effect. Finally, apply a transition of 0.5 second for smooth animation when the button changes. Now, open your browser, and you should see a small yellow border at the top left corner of the button. To better understand the animation, let's add a blue background to the before element. This will make it easier to see the effect as it animates. Next, let's create an after effect for the button. Start by copying all the styles from the before element and pasting them here. Then, make the following changes: set top to bottom, left to right. Border top to border bottom, and border left to border right. This will create a similar effect at the bottom right corner of the button. Now, let's create a hover effect for the before element. When the button is hovered over, use .btn, hover, before selector. Set the width to 100% and the height to 100%. This will expand the before element to cover the entire button when hovered. Open your browser and hover over the button. You should see the before element extend to cover the full width and height of the button. Now, remove the background color from the before element. This will ensure only the border hover effect are visible, making the button's appearance cleaner. Next, add .btn, hover after to apply the same styles as the before element. This will create the same hover effect for the bottom right corner when the button is hovered over. Now, remove the background color from the after element as well. Open your browser and hover over the button. You'll see the button's border extend from the top left corner and bottom right corner. Next, add overflow, hidden to the button. This will ensure that any overflowing content, such as the expanding border, is clipped and doesn't spill outside the button's area. Now, let's add a glowing effect to the button when it's hovered. Use .btn, hover to target the button during the hover state. Set the color to black and the background to yellow. Apply a box shadow with the following values: 0010px yellow, 0020px yellow, and 0040px yellow. This will create a bright, glowing effect around the button. Open your browser and hover over the button. you should see the button glowing with a yellow color. However, you might notice that the border animation isn't visible at the moment. To make the border animation visible, add a transition delay of 0.5 seconds to the button. This delay ensures that the border animation completes first, and then the glowing effect will appear. Open your browser and hover over the button. You'll see that first, the border animates, and then the button begins to glow with a yellow color. Next, add a border radius of 5 px to the button. This will add rounded the corners when the button is glowing. Now, select the second button using .btn nthchild 2. Set the color to white for this button to differentiate it from the first one. Next, add a hover effect for the second button using .btn nthchild 2 hover. Copy the background and box shadow styles from the previous button and paste it. Then, replace all instances of yellow with white. You can use Ctrl+D to quickly select and change all the yellow colors to white. Now, style the before element of the second button using .btn nthchild 2 before. Copy the border styles from the previous button's before element and paste it. Then replace all instances of yellow with white. Similarly, style the after element of the second button using .btn nthchild 2 after. Copy the border styles from the previous button's after element and replace all instances of yellow with white. Open your browser, and you'll see that the second button's color has now changed to white. When you hover over each button, the first button will glow with yellow, while the second button will glow with white. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all our latest content. Your support helps us create more exciting and valuable videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode of DevWave Diaries.